Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Jeep Cherokee windshield wipers. Begin by parking on level ground and lifting the wiper arms away from the glass. Inspect the blade connection and measure the blade length to ensure correct replacements. Gather tools and a soft cloth to protect the windshield. Remove the old blades by releasing the locking tab and install the new blades until you hear a secure click. With arms lifted, wipe the pivot and blade contact areas to remove grit and grime. Hold the wiper arm steady and press the release tab on the blade connector, then slide the blade off the hook or pin. Keep your fingers clear of the windshield to avoid scratches or cracks. Compare the removed blade to the new one to confirm fit before installing the replacement. Test fit the connector to ensure proper engagement. Attach the new blade by aligning the connector with the arm and sliding until you hear a secure click. Lower the wiper arm gently back onto the windshield to avoid a hard snap. Repeat the process for the opposite side and any rear wiper if equipped. After installation, run the wipers with washer fluid and check for smooth, streak-free motion and full glass coverage. Make any small adjustments if needed for proper contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.